Times New Roman and Arial might do well in your day-to-day work, but if you want your words to look really special, you'll want one of these free animated templates. I found 5 animated templates that you can use without pulling out your credit card. But before we dive into those, we'll take a look at some awesome premium downloads from Envato Elements. All of them are bundled into your monthly subscription, as well as millions of other assets. You can find links to everything you see here in the description below. Now let's look at the Premiere Pro text animations that'll turn your video editing up a notch. Coming in first is this animated bundle. There are over 100 text animations included here, and they're all so versatile. You can edit the font, color, and much more for each of these Premiere Pro animations. Just select the scene you want and start experimenting. 1 bubble, 2 bubble, red bubble, blue bubble. You can have them all with this cool download. It features a pack of text animations that'll jump off any phone screen. This bundle has 4 different text message styles included, and it also comes with a few other templates for voice, photo, location, messages, and a whole lot more. Once the smoke clears, everything will be revealed. Well, at least your text will be. Present your titles with some intrigue with smoke to text reveal. The text and background can have their color customized in a couple of clicks. Try this one out for a short film opener or a logo reveal. Who doesn't love a good glitch effect? They're just the perfect way to reveal your text with a fresh and modern style. With Glitch Text Animator Pro, you have 15 different glitches to choose from, compatible with both Premiere Pro and After Effects. This bundle works easily and without plugins. It supports any language your text is in. Creative text animation sure makes an impact. It features multiple animated text templates for Premiere Pro that have their own look and feel. This download is fully customizable and renders so quickly, which means you can create dynamic text effects without needing a long production time. If free Premiere Pro text templates are what you're after, let's look at these 5 choices from Mixkit. This simple animated cluster template is designed specifically for your titles. It features a 2-tone text and cool delayed animations. Just open the file in Premiere and have some fun. Simple and modern, this lower third can fit any project. It enters the frame with a subtle animation, and then text both above and below the animated line slowly appear. This free download is available at a 4K resolution. Here's another minimal text animation that's free from Mixkit. It's a plain callout with a simple, modern, angled line. It's dynamic, easy to use, and can be added to just about any video you're making. If you create content for YouTube, you'll find this template super useful. It's simple yet energetic, with diagonal lines entering to reveal your text. Try using it to promote your next video or live stream. We're at the end of our list of free Premiere Pro templates, but don't worry, we know the gram needs content too, which this chic Instagram story template works perfectly for. It combines simple static text with animated decorations. You'll find the links for everything in this video down in the description. And make sure to browse the full selection on Envato Elements for even more premium options. Give this video a like and subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. You'll get notified of all of our latest roundups and training videos on Premiere Pro, along with much more.